This is Kylie's room, and she's supposed to be taking a nap. You were supposed to be napping. Yeah. You're supposed to be napping. You are. Why are you pointing at me? You're supposed to be napping.
Oh.
Yeah? Okay. Can you give the camera a kiss? Kiss? Oh, thank you.